Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Be the owner of these two stunning villas on a little over half-acre of land, perfectly nestled in a picturesque location in Duncans, Trelawny, known as Marine Drive, offering an escape from your busy life. Dayho and Daylight Villas, with 7 bedroom and 8 bathroom, offers a taste of luxury, privacy, and immersed in a homely ambiance in a secluded gated community, just a 3 minutes walk to its private beach. As soon as you enter these gorgeous homes, you are welcomed by stylish yet highly comfortable, open concept living areas. It is designed with numerous modern and comfy amenities that spans throughout the entire interior of these dreamy homes. The fully equipped kitchens and inviting dining areas that opens onto the relaxing living areas, setting the stage for many memorable vacations. Once you are ready to retire from the day activities, you have the choice to choose which villa you and your family wants to rest and unwind, and your guests can relax and unwind comfortably in the adjacent villa. Do not miss out on a great investment. Guys, let's take a look at these villas, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for these villas are US 1.8 million or Jamaican $277 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.